What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer from MarketingMeathead.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your columns in the Business Manager for an affiliate campaign in Facebook. All right, welcome back. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, bang that notifications bell, like this video if you like the content. We are about making money online on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how to set up your columns on the Facebook Business Manager when you're running a affiliate campaign. All right, let me take these things out. All right, so basically you're going to set up the pixel in 3 different places on a typical affiliate campaign. Now, every affiliate campaign is a little bit different, but generally the way I like to set things up is I like to put the view content pixel when the person lands on the landing page or bridge page, if you want to call it that. And then once the person clicks through the page, whether it be a mini funnel, like a mini survey or questionnaire, or just a click to the offer, then you want to put a pixel on there so it fires a lead for Facebook. And then hopefully, if you have a good relationship with your advertiser or affiliate network, once they fill out the final, they go through the whole thing for the advertiser, whether it's auto loan or life insurance loan, and they have to fill out a bunch of stuff. And then when they actually convert, meaning they do the final submission, that fires the purchase pixel. Okay, so you're firing the view content, the leads, and the purchase pixel here. And that's what I have in this document here. And make sure you take notes. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up as well. So, like here is a campaign I'm running for New Year's Eve. Now, this isn't an affiliate campaign, but I can show you the setup here because it's the same on all business managers. So you'd want to go in here to the columns, okay, and then you're going to go in here to customize columns. And let me move this over to the other side here. All right, and in the columns, you're going to search for a couple things. You're going to just do view content, just like I showed in the last video. So view content, and you're going to want to do the unique and the unique cost. Okay, you're going to check these two. Okay, and you'll notice that those are going to appear over here. Okay, unique view, and you can move these around. So, and there's some of this stuff you're going to find you don't really need, so you can take some of this stuff out. But I like to leave a lot of it and then take out what I don't really need. All right, so there's your content views. Now it's a little tricky here to get this going where you want it. All right, so it's a unique content views. So there's your unique content views and your cost per unique content. Now this will show up, sooner in the ads manager. Okay. And probably take out some of the stuff I don't really need. I usually like to see the link clicks, the CTR, all that stuff. All right, so let's go on to the next one. The next one was leads. Okay, so let's go to the total and cost on the leads. All right, so that's when you fire the lead conversion, total and the cost. Okay, so we're gonna have those here. Here's your leads, and depending on how your pixel's set up, you may not need these offline and on Facebook leads checked off, but we'll just leave them checked off for now. And cost per lead. Let's see here. All right, this thing's like super quick here. You gotta be good with the mouse. All right, and there we go. It's your cost per lead. All right, and then the next one, the final one here, we're going to bring in for the affiliate campaign is the purchases, and we're going to check the total and the cost. And purchases, I think I saw it up there, but I'll just show you what it looks like. Purchases, and then the total and the cost is already checked out. You can leave value if you want. Purchase return on ad spend, you can leave that if you want. That's really good if you're running in a e-com campaign, but for affiliate you don't really need that. But you can check it off here if you want or not. Okay, and the purchase conversion value and website purchases, offline purchases, we'll just leave all that there. Okay, all right, and then you just click apply, and then if you want to, you'll see all those columns are going to be here now. Okay, and you're going to have your purchase conversion value. Notice I have I'm running traffic right now. I've spent $349.83, and I've had a total of 11 purchases. and my cost per purchase is $6.59, and then my ROAS is 35.13 on this particular ad set, which is, it's a retargeting campaign, so that's not surprising. But these are some of the other numbers you want to take a look at as an affiliate. The cost per lead. Like, I don't have a lead pixel set up for this particular campaign, but if you did, this is what you'd be looking at. You want to be looking at your cost per page view, your lead, and then obviously your purchase, and that's going to really be able to help you make your data-driven decisions over time. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. And then if you were to want to save this, you'd click down here and you click save, and then you make sure you check the little box once you click save, and you can name it. But I don't need to save this one because I'm using this one here. I already saved one for my New Year's. These are the numbers I'm looking at for my New Year's event. So right now I'm just playing around with those numbers for that particular campaign. But for an affiliate campaign, you'd want to use that. So, but that's how you set it up when you have a pixel. I'm going to go ahead and leave a card on the top. I show you how to set up the pixels properly in a ClickFunnels campaign to set up the view content, the lead, and the purchase. I'll go ahead and leave that above so you guys can check that out if you want. And hopefully you guys got some out of today. Make sure you like this video if you like the content, share it with your friends. I do appreciate the growth in this channel. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.